Guys, as we learned how to insert image in HTML page in the previous lesson, now I'm going to show you how you can control its size, either width and height, by using inline CSS, right? So first of all, let me show you what we learned before. Let me save it and run this program to show you what we learned before. So this is what we learned, how to insert image in HTML page. Now you see is too large, right? I'm going to show you how you control its size by using inline CSS. We already learned CSS, how to use inline CSS. If you missed, please you can go back and watch the previous lessons to see how it works. So to use inline CSS, we just click here before closing an image tag, then use style attribute as defined the CSS, then use weight. So now let us give it width, which is equal to like 200 pixels, and also we can give it weight, which is equal to 100 pixels, right? Let me save it and refresh my page to show you an output. You see, now our image is now changed, right? It's reduced in size. Using inline CSS, you can control how image looks like, right? So thank you for watching this video. Let me see you in the next one.